Call what you want, Andrew.
Okay, let's go up.
Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, easy, easy. Okay. And we're twisting around. Okay, slowly. Slowly, stop, stop. Okay. Good. How do we look? Okay.
Go up.
Yeah, up. Okay, let me get on the boat.
Get your feet settled.
So, okay. So we're gonna have to just hover it over there so I can fish the wires down once I get on the boat. Okay, keep coming around, sorry. Okay. Hey, that's the back stay.
Well, not throw it.
Hang on. Yeah, the back stay should be on the back, right?
Should be.
Okay, so I just have to bring, can you bring this around the shroud? Or not the shroud, the spreaders? Thanks.
Okay, let it go, let it go.
Okay. It's on the inside of the spreader. No?
Pull that shroud. Pull that shroud down again. There you go.
Okay, good.
Okay, it's on the back side now.
Okay. Coming around?
Up.
Yeah, do you want me to grab that? Okay.
Okay, you got all your lines on the right side of the spreaders?
I have it.
Pretty sure I double checked, but I known to make mistakes.
I got it.
Keep going up. Okay.
Whoa. That's enough for
Okay.
now.
Okay. Can I get somebody here on the furling?
Hang on 1 second, Andrew.
Hey, hanging.
Boom, the boom's got to go up. The boom has to go up.
Lift it.
Crank it up. Crank it up. Crank it up. Watch the instrument.
Watch out the instruments. Okay.
Watch your stuff at the top.
Okay.
Still got to go up some more. Keep going, Steve. Keep going.
Yeah. Pull back there. Keep it clear of the end.
Oh.
Getting close there, okay. That's
Okay.
pretty good.
So I'm going to fish the wires through. If somebody holds the furling, and I'll get the pin for the furling.
Don't do it yet, Don.
Okay.
Just wait.
Okay. How are we? I'll do that. I have to do it from below. I have to pull them down. We have to inch it down, otherwise they get jammed. So I'm going to make, so right here, I'm going to put the pin when we get to there. In fact,
All these wires go through.
Okay, where's the pin?
all of them. So let me,
Okay, you do it here first.
I start here and then I go down. I have to do it one at a time too. Okay, let's start two at a time. Okay.
You should put heart rate monitors on
Yes.
all the captains.
Yeah. Okay, that's enough. Okay, let me go down below, and there's going to be a black.
There's a
and
couple of steps.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Yeah. So.
And you yell loud when you want it down.
Okay, just a second. There's no way then the wire's jammed up at the top. Let me see.
You come and look. You see the problem?
Put the loose wires in behind.
Okay, hang on.
I'll give him a time.
Okay, hold on. Just let's change the order of this. Let's change the order that we put these in. Okay, that's okay. So this is fat and has to go down first.
Black
then.
has to go first.
Yeah, okay, wait. Just watch my. Okay, hold on. Let's see if the coaxial will go down now. Nope. Shit. Coaxial is second. I should record this. Coaxial is second.
Speak. Is your camera running?
Yeah, good. So I'll have it recorded for the next time. Yeah.
Copy the audio off.
Okay. Hold on, let me relax here. I'm trying to do things too fast.
Yeah, just take your time.
Okay, there. Okay, and then the thin ones can fit.
Nobody's even waiting. Just relax.
Okay. Okay, and I'm gonna go down and pull them through.
Yeah,
And
gotcha.
then we can.
When you go down, Andrew.
Yeah.
Open up the front hatch so we can hear you.
Oh, okay, the front hatch? Yeah, I had the window open. This one's not going down. Okay, let me, okay, good. Okay, coming through. What? Do we have a problem?
What side does your furler come out on? This side?
What do you mean,
The
the fur?
furling line, does it come out on this side? Okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
Take a quick look at where you're between the cable, two cable lines.
You mean the instrument?
So anybody walking on board, do it very, very.
Okay, thank you. Okay. Okay. I've had that before. I thought I fixed it. Okay, so the wires are good. If we need to drop it, we can drop it now. I will come and put the furling pin in. So let me just get back down.
Down.
Okay.
Down.
Oh, that stupid
Stop.
tube. I fixed it too. I know.
That tube
Watch your
popped up
fingers.
on you.
It'll push down. Once the pressure comes, it'll force it in.
Okay. Down. Down.
Okay, Andrew.
Okay, so I don't want to. This is the only pin I have, so I can't lose
I
it.
know we don't want to lose it.
Let me get the ring off first.
I will get out of your way and hold this up.
Thanks. Okay. And where's my exit?
All right.
Okay, don't move that at all at this point. Do not move at all. Okay,
You got a circuit. You got a circuit for it.
I do.
Cotter pin?
I got it in my pocket. Do not move at all, anybody. So I don't want that pin to fall out.
Shouldn't.
And I can't see the, come on, where is it? There it is, it's on my finger. To try and see the hole is almost impossible. Why did I put it in that way? If I put it in the other way, then the, oh, hold on. No, no,
What do you want me to do? What do you want me to do?
I don't know. Because I can't see the hole to put it in.
You want to take a look? You want to trade? You want to trade?
Just a second. There, see the hole now?
You got the hole?
Yeah, it's just really hot. I don't have small enough. Okay, maybe if I came around. I'm trying to remember if I put the pin on the other side, maybe. The retaining pin. Yeah, we're gonna pull that pin again.
Don't move anything, guys.
Okay.
We got to pull the pin out of the forestay. Okay. I have the forestay. You worry about the pin.
Okay, good. So it's easier if it goes on the other side. Just my, yeah. Just I can't get my. Okay, good.
Okay.
It's in.
Yeah, I've got down pressure on it, so it shouldn't move.
Okay, so I can see it now.
Circlip.
Yeah. I'm gonna buy extra ones of these pins next year.
Always did that part.
Yeah. Yeah. Can't remember. I didn't remember which way I put it in. Okay, so a pin is made.
Pin is made.
Okay, we are good.
Your drum's the right way.
Drums on the right side. Where's the? Oh, that's right. I took the rope out. I was going, where's the rope in there? Okay.
Bump it down, Lynn. Bump it down. Bump it down. Hold it there.
Good.
Okay.
Okay, let's-
swing the boom That way a bit, please. Just swing the boom over. Yeah, swing it.
Yep.
Yeah, keep going. Keep going. Be a backstay. Keep going. Essentially, you're being a backstay.
Okay.
Well, is that? Okay, can you get that backstay on?
I'm going to put on the, hang on. Just putting one shroud on.
Got one on that side, good.
Yeah, port side shroud.
Is it the upper, is it the outside one? Yeah? Okay.
It looks like the outside one. Yeah, got that. Okay, hang on. I haven't put the turnbuckles on yet. Silly me. Okay, let me get the turnbuckles. Turnbuckles. There's another thing I forgot. Silly me. Fuck. Every year. It's always the same. Like,
It gets right between them.
oh, it's completely dented, isn't it? It happens every year.
I wonder if there's another way you can get both of them on the same side. Off like a
Okay, that's just hand tight, guys.
Okay, we can use off the crane and
It's hand tight.
other side of the crane down.
Okay. So we're dropping the hook.
Right. Down.
Oh, fuck. I really did a job on my instrument. Okay. Just need to go. Oh, that's really tight. Holy shit.
That's just hand tight.
How is it?
That's just hand tight.
Wow, it's usually not that many threads.
That's hand tight. Now you're gonna have to
Balance it,
You
yeah.
have to balance it, okay? That's just hand tight.
I know. Okay.
Because yeah, I've got like an inch of thread sticking out over here. You got half an inch there. So that one, after you get it to the dock.
Okay. Okay.
After you get it to the dock.
Okay.
The rule is you have to see 3 threads.
Yeah, I see like 30. Right.
He'll hold. I'm fouled up here.
Take it off the hook. Pull it through. There you go.
Oh, you fouled up on that
It's coming.
the lazy
There you go.
jack thing. Okay. Do we have okay, I'm just like that.
It's an inner.
It's an inner, yep. Okay, so we are what's going on?
Right?
Oh.
Don't move the hook. Swing it then. Swing it. Swing it away from the boat. Swing it away from the boat.
Let go with your right hand.
Okay, Andrew.
Okay, yeah.
Just stood loose.
Yeah, they are right.
This one's probably a little tighter. You want to do the top first anyway.
Yep. I'll have to
Yeah,
tighten those ones up.
There's a bit of a bend in it, so you're okay. You can get that at the dock.
Yeah, as long as the thing doesn't
Take a line down each
as
side.
long as the thing doesn't fall over, that's all I care about for the time being. Thank you, gentlemen.
You know what I can do? On this dock, take a picture of my boat. Putting it up on the computer. My astigmatism is so bad, I cannot.
Holy f***, I can't go any further down.